Emma Hadfield,
Robert Edwards.
corner pocket swing.
And this was our Slow Balboa for Everyone workshop.
We started at the very beginning. We worked on some exercises to get people moving as one together in stance. So, and the reason for that is we don't want to be more tense than we have to be. We don't want to be squeezing the heck out of our partner like they're a tube of toothpaste. We want to keep the toothpaste in our partner, and so we work on having a chest-to-chest connection, the side of my chest connecting to the center of Emma's chest, and we're not using our arms for this. We are actually moving across the floor. I'm doing my prep rocks, step, collect, step, collect. It's very important to always gather your feet between steps, and I'm stepping kind of up onto the step and down on the gather. Up, gather, up, gather, up. And then we did some tick-tocks. Tick-tock, 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 which has a different feeling than the gather, right? When we're gathering, it's like two measures. And when we tick-tock, it's like a note and note, but we still come up, down, up, down. That little sine wave feeling is very small. It doesn't have to be a big sine wave of up and down. It's just a nice little lilting feeling.
So, our basic. We like to have a little bit of flow and rotation in our basic. It's not 100% necessary, but this is how we do it.
We went 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So we have a little bit to the right, to the left, to the right, and back it up. And then
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that, when I triple the triple step, rather than stepping up, like on 1, 2, we go step up. It's almost completely straight, and then I triple a little bit down together, and then I get up on 5, 6, and then we triple down with bent knees, and it has this little lateral movement that creates the triple step.
So don't overemphasize the up and down. That was a little bit obviously overemphasized, but do have that flowy up and down feel.
You could back and back, you could travel backwards in your triple, or you can step and step. You can actually almost be subtly moving forwards in that with that foot replace. It's just creating that triple feeling.
Okay, and then we did a slower round.
Before that, we actually did slow drag steps as well. So just part of our initial, we had our prep rocks, and we had our tick-tocks, and we had our slow steps, just slow drags, and then we went into our basic. And then you can put those all in any order and mix those through your social dancing. I certainly do. I do tick-tocks, I do slow dragging steps everywhere, all the time. And
then we did a slower round.
We did a slow round. So we've done our basic, and then we did our basic in a circle. The only counts that are different are counts 3 and 4. In 1, 2, we normally turn a little bit to our right. 1, 2, and we just keep going around. 3 and 4, and we keep going around. 5, 6, and then we straighten it up and finish our basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we kind of straighten out there so we can go into another basic or a different move.
Okay.
You can chain slow rounds together where you continue rotating on your last triple. That would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you're done, you straighten up. I find for some reason when I do a lot of those, I get real dizzy very, very quickly.
Okay, and then we did the triple behind, 17.
17. I use this triple step on the end of the basic. 5, 6, this one, 7, 8, but I do it 7, 8. I'm slightly turning to my left as I triple, bringing my follower across, and that gets the left foot coming in. And then we come back the other way. We can continue tripling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Straighten up for whatever other move you want to do next. So I just, anytime I'm tripling on my right leg, I can just do a straight one to reset to ready for basic or whatever.
Then we did the triple inside.
Oh, this is one of Dean Raftery's moves he always did when he was social dancing. This is just a basic, and then he went triple, slide, triple step, slide.
Back to a
1,
basic.
2, 3, and 4. So it takes out 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. He did a little foot swizzle. We didn't cover this in class. We mentioned that it exists. I'll just show it. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. Triple step, slide. Triple step, slide, tap, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's my attempt at a little bit of Dean Raftery styling in that step.
Then we did a slow out.
The slow out. This is basically stolen from Balboa throwout. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're doing Balboa. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So we're like, how does that adapt into slow bal? Well, if we steal Mickey and Kelly's elite technique, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tick tock, tick tock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tick tock, tick tock. I like to put the tick-tocks in because it just helps you get back to 1 for your next basic, which feels nice. That's
it.
what we did.
Okay, thank you.